Environment and Forest and Climate Change, Shri Prakash Javadekar ji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant ji, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Chandrakant Babu Kavlekar ji, Honorable Minister for State and Environment Forest State, Shri Babul Supriyo ji, Secretary Information and Broadcasting, Amit Khare ji, Additional Secretary Atul Tiwari ji, Chairman Central Board of Film Certification, Shri Prasoon Joshi ji, and a lot of delegates here who have come from over 36 countries. At the outset, I would request the honorable ministers and other dignitaries to come and light the traditional lamp so that we can start the work. The event is short and sweet. All of us are waiting have been waiting for a very long time. I'd request the Honorable Minister Honorable Chief Minister of Goa to initially give his words of wisdom, and then followed by our Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting. We also have a film audiovisual film on the Film Facilitation Office, which we will request our Honorable Ministers to release today so that it can be played during the thing. Honorable Chief Minister Goa, Sri Sawant ji.
NFDC सिनेमास ऑफ इंडिया फिल्म बाजार, इसमें आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं गोवा की तरफ से। ये फिल्म बाजार इनॉग्रेशन के कार्यक्रम में मेरे साथ में ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग श्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी, मेरे डिप्टी सीएम श्री बाबू कवलेकर जी, ऑनरेबल पावर मिनिस्टर श्री नीलेश काबराल, वाइस चेयरमैन फॉर द ESG सुभाष फलदेसाई, ऑल द डिग्निटरीज अमंग द ऑडियंस, जो आप सभी लोग जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से, फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी से है, मैं फिर से एक बार आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आफ्टर द ग्रैंड ओपनिंग ऑफ द IFFI 50th IFFI श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियम होने के बाद अभी जो मेरियट इस होटल में फिल्म बाजार का इनॉग्रेशन होने जा रहा है, मुझे लगता है जो ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया, इससे आगे देयर विल द सिंगल विंडो क्लियरेंस फॉर द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री in the country, so that will give the boost for the film industry. उसका फायदा हमें गोवा में भी मिलेगा, because Goa is a small state, it is always the touristic state, always it is an environment friendly, sun, sand and sea. बहुत कम फिल्म जो यहाँ पे शूटिंग हो गई है, लेकिन जितनी सारी शूटिंग हो गई सभी फिल्म्स, इंटरनेशनल एंड नेशनल फिल्म, सभी फिल्म्स हिट हो गई हैं। तो मेरे आपसे सभी से दरख्वास्त यही रहेगी कि आफ्टर द 50th IFFI हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, अच्छा से अच्छा जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए चाहिए वो सभी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देने की हमारी कोशिश रहेगी। और जो सिंगल विंडो क्लियरेंस जो अभी मिनिस्टर साहब ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया, द सेम विल फॉलो द प्रोसेस इन अवर स्टेट ऑल्सो। और अभी जो कुछ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन द इंटीरियर, इन द सिटी, सब कुछ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आप सभी के लिए मुझे लगता है द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा विल प्रोवाइड। मैं बस इस मौके पे इतना ही कहूँगा कि द गोवा स्टेट, आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आगे जाए, और इसीलिए आप सभी की मदद गोवा स्टेट के लिए रहेगी। बस इतना ही। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री, उनके सभी साथी, हमारे सभी अधिकारी एंड फ्रेंड्स, I have seen all kinds of markets, but I am seeing film market for the first time. I have seen films. I have also produced some films for my party. But this film bazaar, I was told that 36 countries and more than 1,000 registration. I asked what they will sell. But here was the example of our Goa Chief Minister. He sold Goa instantly. He said, and that is, luck is very important aspect of filmmaking, because unless everybody keeps fingers crossed when they prepare film, because everybody loves their own production. But nobody knows what will be the fate. And with social media, advent of social media, earlier how films used to be responded by people? 1 week or 2 weeks it used to run with the captions, with artists, with everything. And then people used to judge it, and the message used to spread mouth by mouth publicity, whether this is a good film or a bad film. So bad product you cannot sell by good advertisement. But good product doesn't require advertisement. HAHQ was a famous word used, Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. That became popular. That's a phenomenon. Like that, my colleague, my CM here has sold very powerfully that you come, shoot here, and your film will run. So that's auspicious place. One must know what to sell. He knows it. Second is that here there are more than 1,000 registrations. There are writers, there are directors, there are exhibitors. From various countries people have come, right from Argentina also, Kazakhstan. So people want to see, and here are 3 theatres in this complex, Film Bazaar, where people can come and see the movie and take a call whether they are interested to purchase the film, to finance the film, to contribute in any way what producer wants to do, and whether they want to take the film to their own country. That is business. And as I told earlier, we have a film industry. Indian films are the soft power of country. This will ensure, this Film Bazaar will ensure that they get proper market. Earlier they used to say कि अगर सोना है, चांदी है, तो उसको बेचने के लिए इश्तेहार नहीं करना पड़ता. You don't need to advertise. But that's not true. We have seen now maximum advertisements are from jewelers. They are selling jewels, they are selling gold. Everybody knows the quality of gold, but there are many new aspects which you can sell. And therefore in Film Bazaar, these marketing skills also increase, and there are students taking up skill courses. There will be many other programs in next 3-4 days when this bazaar will be on. And I am very sure that this is the way forward. This is how भारत में 2000 फिल्में बनती है, आम बात नहीं है. और 2000 फिल्मों को चाहने वाला वर्ग है. 200 फिल्में अभी हिट होती है बहुत. और अभी तो नया जमाना, हाँ मैं बताना भूल गया कि अभी फिल्म कब फ्लॉप होती है या कब चलती है. तो मुझे मेरे थिएटर का जो मालिक है, मित्र है, उसने कहा कि अब तो फर्स्ट शो में ही बैठकर अगर लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया तो तुरंत सोशल मीडिया में डालते हैं बोगस कि सेकंड शो का भी जो बुकिंग है वो ड्रॉप हो जाता है. इतना इंस्टेंट बन गया है. दिस इज सो इंस्टेंट. सो दिस इज वन गुड प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कम, where you can sell your best ideas, best products, and take it to the far reaches of the world. World wants to know, and these are the places where that can happen. Because जैसे हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा, तो ये एक फिल्म बाजार है जहां आके देखो तो 122 फिल्में यहां अभी अवेलेबल है फॉर वेरियस transactions. और ये एक बड़ा बाजार है. We have tremendous business opportunity also in film bazaar, in film industry, and that's a great export we can do. Good import also we can do, and therefore this film bazaar I declare as open. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of encouragement. I would request the dignitaries to come and release the FFO film, sir, for coming. Come Film in India का हमने एक फिल्म छोटा सा ऑडियो विजुअल बनवाया है जो हम we will be showing it across the world in our embassy so that we showcase our best of the filmmaking in India. So एक छोटा सा आप उसको थोड़ा प्ले कर देते हैं.
We always want to be at a place that treats our imagination.
I want to go someplace where I can marvel at something.
A place immersed in its beauty and soaking in its culture.
The light, colors, smiles. It teaches me something.
A place that keeps its arms open to greet you with emotion.
Welcome to the best exotic Marigold Hotel.
Time and again, India has been the chosen destination for some of the world's biggest blockbusters. A destination that has not only brought you the most diverse set of locations, but also an equal amount of challenges while capturing the vision onto film. Keeping up to its promises, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting set up the Film Facilitation Office in the National Film Development Corporation of India, or NFDC, to become a single window clearance and facilitation mechanism for both domestic and international filmmakers.
All filmmakers of the world, here is your red carpet in India. You have beautiful and scenic locations, local talent, skilled workers, all facilitation through this center.
Since its inception in December 2015, FFO has been easing the filmmaking process for everyone. by successfully facilitating over 90 international projects.
I had a wonderful experience shooting in India. We shot a better part of the film Dhaka in India. The locations were extremely exotic, and I fell in love with India.
FFO office made shooting Tenet for Mr. Christopher Nolan so easy. They did all the hand-holding to get all the permissions on time.
We know obtaining local permits from nook and corners of a state can be quite a challenge. Therefore, FFO has been continuously working with various states and central government agencies to further streamline the permitting process and their filming policies. In sync with the government's Digital India initiative, FFO also launched its web portal www.ffo.gov.in for processing online applications for filming in India in a time-bound manner. Additionally, the portal also brings together all the information that you require for filming in India.
It's going to be extraordinary.
FFO works as a platform for industry stakeholders to engage with the government and promote India as a film-friendly destination.
We have shoots going on in Lucknow. We have a shoot that is about to start in Punjab, and we are just talking to the FFO, and they are being extremely helpful.
This initiative is wonderful and very well welcomed by the production fraternity because of the fact that it makes it so much easier for units to be able to shoot in a seamless manner.
Where directors and actors have constantly gone on record to describe shooting in India as an adventure, FFO intends to make this adventure all the more seamless and exciting for filmmakers around the globe. With FFO's ceaseless support to every passionate storyteller, we invite you to experience the magic. Ignite your imagination. Come, film in India.
Thank you, sir. May we request Mr. Babul Supriyo, Honorable Minister of State for Environment and Forest, to come and say a few words. He is from the industry, so he would also like to.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, my boss, Shri Prakash Javadekar, who is obviously also the main man behind this International Film Festival of India. Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, again Shri Prakash Javadekar. Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. I have a lot of dignitaries in front of me who are, many of them belong to a fraternity that I once belonged to and still feel in my heart that I belong to. The entire world is a marketplace. I don't know who said it, but it's a very famous line that we all know. And it's great to know that, we have, in line with the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister, to make India a better place to work in, and something that we have been achieving over the years. We have jumped several places in the ease of doing business. In filmmaking in India is indeed, it's an amalgamation of business as well as art, and how you can take art to the homes of people, because you could do so, then you do make a lot of business. So the government has no business to be in business, and therefore, as my boss said, we do not make films unless they are from NFDC and others. But there are a lot of filmmakers all over the world who are interested in making films in India, in knowing more about Indian films, because by far we make the largest number of films in the world, and in as many as 30 languages. So welcome, a very warm welcome. Goa is indeed very warm. So a very warm welcome to all of you, all the dignitaries from all parts of the world. And our Prime Minister cannot really say, but I can say that it's not only make in India, make money in India, because the atmosphere to work here, the amount that you spend here, the skilled force, at a price that you get, everything suits the art form of filmmaking. It makes the entire experience very, very close to earth, because India is a place where even your heart is very close to the earth. You meet simple people who can make your complex things, seem and feel much more simpler. I congratulate Goa once again Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, for not only being part of the entire event today, captaining the ship, but also making some great statements throughout the day, which would encourage filmmakers to not only come to India, make films in India, but also reinstates the fact that yes, Goa remains and very proudly remains the place where India is going to host the International Film Festival years and years ahead. So congratulations to everyone who played a part in it. And I was not aware that I needed to make a speech. But as I said, when you come to India, you don't need to carry a script while making a film. You can always use your heart, and you will find a lot of people with hearts who can help you make a film which is going to be close to your heart and everyone else's heart. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, God, once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. So would Amit Khare, sir, aap kuch thank you all. We can break now. The event is officially over. Thank you so much, sir, for having come at short notice, given us words of encouragement. And we promise you, sir, we will ensure that the market works really well. Thank you so much.